Hello guys, Rex Gaming 1 here, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to connect your PS4 to a VGA monitor. Now a PS4 has a HDMI output, but you can connect it to a VGA monitor using this adapter, which is called as the HDMI to VGA adapter. And I'm gonna show you guys how to install it and also which one to buy. So let's get right into it. So before we get right into it, I'm gonna just make a quick unbox of the P-Box India HDMI to VGA adapter, and you can clearly see here it's not VGA to HDMI, which is not important, but this is from P-Box. You can get this from Amazon. I bought this for 300 rupees, and I'm gonna show you why you should buy this one and this one only, and only this type. So yeah, let's just cut into it. And inside you get a micro USB cable. I'm gonna explain soon. I'm just gonna keep this aside. You got an aux cable. I'm gonna explain soon again. Then you got your adapter itself. Then there's just nothing. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep this there. And the adapter itself. I'm gonna put this aside, and this is the HDMI to VGA adapter. I'm just gonna take this covering off, just like a plastic layer. Pretty sticky though, not too sticky. Then finally the cap, and you should buy these ones specifically because there's something. If you see at the bottom here, there is a okay, but anyway, there is a aux port and a micro USB here. Don't worry, this is an aux port. I don't know why is it see-through, but don't worry, this is an aux port and this is a micro USB. The reason why is that there is a board inside here, that's why it's so huge, and this board helps the PS4 to convert the HDMI signals to VGA. And the reason why there is an aux port here is because HDMI carries both video and audio signals, while VGA only carries out video signal. So that's why you have an extra audio port here, so you can connect it to any speaker so you can listen through it. And the reason why there is a micro USB cable is for power. Why is this port here? Okay, let's just focus. Now, why do you need a micro USB for PS4? Is because the HDMI output of PS4 is just meant to connect to a TV or a normal HDMI monitor, but it's not meant to connect through these adapters, so it does not have enough power to just give out that output. That output to power up the board. So that's why you have this separate micro USB to power the board by itself, so it will work. If you don't have a micro USB port on the one of these converters, well, it's definitely not going to work. But it does have a mini USB or a micro USB with an aux port, it will work. Aux port is just optional. You don't really need an aux port, but I recommend you to get you one to get the audio. But if you do have headsets, it's not necessary. So let's install it. Okay, so I just powered on, and you can see here this is only a VGA only monitor, and I'm gonna connect it to my PS4 right now. Okay guys, so now you have a clear view of what's going on here. So this is the HDMI output. So let's connect our adapter right here. So all you have to do is just connect the HDMI side right here. Okay, there you go. And then right here you have to connect to your VGA monitor, where I have cable right here. Just have to struggle in a little bit. If you just struggle it in a little bit, it will connect eventually, and just screw this down. Okay, so it's connected, and then here you have your micro USB and your aux port. Now for the aux port, if you want, you can connect to any speaker, and right here I have a set of speakers, as you can see here, and this is its aux cable. I'm just gonna connect this here like that, and then you could take out your micro USB cable and you can plug it here. Now if you want, you can connect this anywhere. For example, your computer, it will work. A power bank, it will work, but I don't recommend using a power bank, because I mean who does? And then it also works with your PS4's USB input, because your PS4's USB input is powerful enough to power up the board. So if you're willing to sacrifice one of the ports, you can also connect it, or you can just connect it to a wall adapter, connect that. And if you want, you can just connect this at the front. It's upside down, and just connect that there. It kind of looks pretty weird, but yeah, make sure everything is connected properly. And that is it. Now let's turn on the PS4 and let's see if it works. Oh sorry, okay, I did not plug in the power cord yet. I'm just gonna plug it in. It's connected. Let's turn it on. And now the USB power is going to the board, which will help it come up like that. So make sure, if you want to buy a HDMI to VGA adapter for a PS4, make sure it has a USB input, micro USB input, or a mini USB input for power, because that is the main reason why I'm telling you guys to buy these this one, because this does have a micro USB. You can find a lot of brands on Amazon, but this is the one I'm recommending. I can see it. Okay guys, don't worry about the audio. It kind of sounds pretty bad, but that's just the speakers, because the speakers are like a little broken. I'm just gonna crank up the volume a little bit so you can guys hear it. I think that one is busted, but anyway, just going to, you can see here, that one's actually kind of broken, but anyway, you can see works pretty nice. If you want, you can connect it to any speakers with an aux port in it, like like if it has an aux port or has a audio jack coming up. This is just the controller, guys, don't worry. You won't have a wireless DualShock. Just have this Nikon white controller. Here it works. Works pretty nice. Okay, so don't worry, that's just the speakers. The audio is not going to be bad, don't worry, but that's just the speaker just popping, because I think it's just like pressed too much. You can see it works properly. I'm gonna play a game and show you guys.